Hey everyone, today I'm going to be talking about how to earn money with Adidas using the Adidas affiliate program right here. So, I'm going to, in this video, talk about everything you need to know about it. So, program details, how to sign up, commission details, payments, all of that. Just stick around and I will show you how to do so. So, first, I'm going to be talking about what is Adidas affiliate program or what is affiliate marketing in general. So, with Adidas affiliate program, when you sign up to it, you will find the products that are in the Adidas store, and then you can get links for them, and then you just paste the link on your blog, or you have a website, or maybe you have a YouTube channel, so you can just paste the link on your videos or Instagram. Doesn't really matter, but you just paste the links on there. And then if somebody comes and clicks on the link and purchases something using your link, then you will get a percentage or you would get a commission, in other words. Right. So as we can read here, what is the Adidas affiliate program? Here, selected websites can earn commission by promoting Adidas products, basically. And they are looking for innovative partners to collaborate with. So, uh, is it for free? It is for free. Everything, the sign up process, everything is going to be for free. You don't have to pay for anything in order to sign up. Now, how much money you will make out of it, I'm going to be talking about that in a minute. But first, I'm going to be talking about how to actually sign up. Now, we're going to be signing up using the Impact Network. So, to do so, you just click on, you just open up a browser tab and then just go type in Adidas affiliate program. Right, from here, you click on this link right here, adidas.com, US company information. What is our affiliate program? You click on it. Now from this page, what is our affiliate program? Affiliate program, you just click on apply now over here. And then once you do that, it should send you to the impact page where you will sign up. So with the impact page over here, it's very simple stuff. You just put your first name, last name, email, personal email, and then you just confirm it, username, password, and you know the deal. Now the company information. Here you just put in your company name or your YouTube channel name. It doesn't really matter. You just put it in here, and then you just put the website. Simple as that. Your country, and then your address, basically, with the zip code and all those things. City. Now, the most important section over here is this, the promotional information. The business model, you just click on it, you will find all of those options over here. So if you are a creator or basically you have a YouTube channel and just create videos and stuff, then in this case you just put in creator. If you do reviews or you just talk about the content, that's when you pick content and reviews. Now you also have all of those things. If you find something that suits you more in this, then you just check it. So let's just go creator for now. Now it will ask you the property type. And here, if you have a blog or website, you just click on the first one and you just put your website over here. So simply this is the website that's going to be sharing. It's basically the website you're going to be sharing the links with. So if it's a website, you just put it over here. If it's social networks, you just click on it, and then you just pick on YouTube, Instagram, all of those things. So that's about the signing up process. You just go down here and just click on sign up, and you should be good to go. So now let's talk about commissions. So commissions are basically the percentage you will be getting when somebody purchases an item from your link. So I have a notepad over here. If I just open it up, it should give you all the information that you need. So commissions with the Impact network. So Adidas affiliates have a 30-day window for any affiliate link. So as I mentioned before about the 30-day cookie period, if somebody opens your link, they've got 30 days to buy something and you would get a commission. Anything longer than that, you will not be able to get a commission. So to earn 7% commission with impact markets. So the Adidas affiliate program through the impact network pays a 7% commission for each product sold. So again, everything just is 7%. Footwear, men's and women's clothing, children's clothing, all of those are 7%. Now, there are other programs that you need to go ahead and look up yourself and keep an eye out for that have different commission rates, ranging from 2% to 14%. So I give an example here. If we have a link for an item that is $150, right? And the commission rate is 7%, you will be getting $10. So that's how it's going to be. That's the commission rate with the impact network that you need to keep in mind. Right, so what about the payments? So again, for the impact network, they will be paying you with BACS or bank transfers and a direct bank transfer or a PayPal transfer. So if you have any of those options, it will be available for you. When do they pay you? They pay you once every 2 weeks through Impact Network. So once every 2 weeks. Now, who should be applying for this affiliate program? If you're a blogger or you have a YouTube channel about fitness or fashion, all of those things work. You just go ahead and sign up to it and just start pasting all of those links and making a case for people to buy them. Why should they buy them? And you should be getting a few sales. And I would personally tell you that it's very worth it to sign up to the Adidas affiliate program. So again, that's all you need to know, and I'm going to summarize everything you need to know first. What is the Adidas affiliate program? It's simply just applying to it, getting the links to the products. You put them in your own network. If somebody clicks on it, they've got 30 days to make a purchase for 10 items, by the way. And if they buy anything, you will get a 7% commission off of it. Does it cost anything? Do you have to pay to sign up? Nope, it's absolutely for free. Signing up is easy, and the commission rate is 7% for every product with the impact network. And the payments methods are BACS, direct bank transfer, or PayPal. Once every 2 weeks. So that's all there is to tell you guys. Thanks for watching.